Hey everybody, it's Sunday and here's what we're having for dinner. This is my daughter Bella's and this one is mine. And these are just some things that I picked up at Aldi's. It's the tomato basil seasoned chicken and the quinoa blend garlic and basil. You can tell that we have a little basil theme going on here this evening. Hey guys, it's Monday, so just a plain chicken salad tonight, no cooking. So I have this bag of spring mix lettuce that I picked up at Aldi's, along with a container of grilled chicken breast strips, and I have little medley tomatoes, as well as the specially selected 3-cheese vinaigrette dressing. And I'll show you it once it's plated up. And here's our dinner plated up. This is mine. And this is my daughter's, and I'm going to be having the 3-cheese vinaigrette with mine. My daughter does not like any sort of dressing on her salad at all, so she's going to have some Goya adobo. This is just mixed seasonings. It has salt, pepper, garlic granules, and onion. And she's also going to have some basil leaves, oregano leaves, and some more garlic powder because we love garlic powder in this house. And I've also gone ahead and grated some Parmigiano Reggiano on over top of it. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, and for dinner tonight we're gonna have pesto pasta. I'm just gonna add in some ground turkey. I'll use some garlic and these 2 jars of pesto sauce that I picked up at Aldi's, and there's no way we're going to be able to use all of that sauce, so what I'll do is I'll freeze some for another day, and I'm going to be adding some of my own seasonings. I have this Himalayan pink sea salt, garlic powder, oregano leaves, and dried basil leaves. And the pasta we're going to be using is vegetable rotini, which I did not get at Aldi's. I got it at a local supermarket here. So here's our dinner all plated up. This one is mine, and that is Bella's. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, and for dinner tonight we're having nothing too fancy, just some sauteed chicken breasts and mushrooms, and with it we're going to be having brown basmati rice, which I'm cooking in vegetable stock. And I'll show you once it's been plated up. And here's our dinner all plated up. So this is mine and Bella's. Guys, it's Friday. Yes, that's right, it's Friday. I forgot to film yesterday, but it was a holiday. It was Independence Day, and I was really busy barbecuing for everyone. But you get to see what we had yesterday because we're having the leftovers. So we have a grilled sausage, grilled chicken, and some corn. Hey guys, it's Saturday, and for dinner tonight we're having barbecued brisket of beef and herb and Parmesan cheese mashed potatoes. So this is mine, and this one is Bella's, and here I have some extra gravy for the mashed potatoes. Hey guys, it's Sunday, and for dinner tonight we're having grilled salmon and rosemary roasted potatoes and mushrooms. So this is mine, and I wasn't really that hungry, that's why I don't have that much on the plate. And this is Bella's. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.